We are here in Theodore, Alabama, at the BP Command Center processing absorbent boom for BP.
And my role is basically to do what we can to minimize the amount of solid waste material that goes into our landfills. And we've come up with a lot of really good ideas. What we have behind us here, it's a pilot test. It's a lot of the sorbent boom, the sausage boom you hear about. We're bringing that in from offshore, from the staging areas, and we're taking it into this trailer back here, and basically it's a couple of large centrifuges.
And the inside of the machine cycles at about 1,800 RPMs, and it creates a G-force, a gravity force of about 1,200 Gs inside the machine. As the centrifuge is spinning at the high centrifugal force, the water comes out into the totes, which is probably 20 to 35% oil, seawater, and any other contaminants or free liquid. Once that tote gets almost full, we call waste management, and they have a vacuum truck. They come, they suck it out, and they take that material off to a disposal point where it's then treated and then is able to be discharged once it meets water standards.
This is an interesting process because the sorbent boom itself is made out of polypropylene material. It's virtually 100% recyclable. And we take that material, we then ship it to plastics recyclers, and then they can actually remanufacture that material into usable products. So instead of putting things in the landfill, we have an opportunity to come up with beneficial reuse options that can give back to the community.
Also in there are materials like polyester, some nylon netting to hold all of it into the casing.
Some of the beneficial reuse options for recycling this polypropylene material would be things such as car parts. In addition, we believe we can do things like generate boardwalks we could use on the Gulf Coast here, or park benches, or picnic tables, and things of that sort. Also, we have the hard boom itself, where there are parts of it that we can actually recycle. There are 4 different parts of any kind of a hard boom or a containment boom. You've got the PVC skirt, and then you have the foam noodle, that's the flotation part. You also have a lot of aluminum in there as well as steel. So all those parts can actually be recycled from the hard boom that we recover from the spill.
It's very important to work on a project like this that's focused around green technology, like what Mobile Fluid has here. Also with our vision for our sister companies, it's all around green energy, green fuels, and recycling.